Make a great choice today with the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.